We'll continue. And here we have in S, swear. You swear. Saying, I know I didn't take it. You swore and you were sworn. Okay? Swearing, or it can be a swearing in ceremony of leaders, whatever. You were sworn in. Swear, swore, and sworn. Swear. You are swear, swore. Here there is a change. And sworn. Swear, swore, and sworn. Because swim. You know to swim. You swam across, then swum. Swim, swam, swum. Swim. The fishes swim. They swam. Swim, swam. And swum. Next we have swing. You like to play in a swing. So there again, you swung, both past and past participle same. Swing. Swung. Next we go into T. Take. Take something. You took something. Changing. Take, took, taken. You have taken something. Tear. You tear up the page. You tore. And you can see the page is torn. Tear. You tear paper. You tore the paper. And finally you see the paper is torn. Torn. Then you say thrive, throve, thriven. Thrive. Thrive, throve. And you say thriven. Thrive, throw, thriven. Throw, threw, thrown. You throw the ball, isn't it? Throw something. Throw, threw. And finally, thrown. Throw, threw, and thrown. Then you tread, trod, and trodden. Tread on somebody's footstep, trod and trodden. Tread. You tread, tread, trod. And in the past participle it is trodden. And finally we have go into W. In W we have wake, woke, and woken. Wake. You wake up someone. You woke up someone. Wake, woke, woken. But you can also say, for the same wake, you will also say waked. Wake, waked. And then you can also say waked. same. Wake, you can say wake. The second category, wake, waked, and waked. All three are same. Wake, you say woke and woken. Wake, waked, and waked. So we have some more to go to look at. Let's see here. Swear, swore, sworn. Swing, swim, swam, swum. Swing, swung, swung. Take, took, taken. Tear, tore, torn. Thrive, throve, thriven. Throw, threw, thrown. Tread, trod, trodden. Wake, woke, woken, or wake, waked, waked. We have some more, just few more to look at in the strong verbs, in the verb, forming of verbs in past, present, and past participle.